begin our first game, Thunders versus Eagles. Received by Mimi. On service area again. Service area number 12. Nice receive. Number 11. Outside. Once again, number 12. Nice receive. Number 22, setting the ball. Mimi set. Mukhang nagkakainit ang ating mga players. Service area with a spike inside. Service area Miss Wade. Nice service. Nice play. Score 4-2. Service area for the third time, Miss Wade with a power spot. Nice receive. Mimi setting the ball. Receive by Wade over down number 62 to Mimi. By number 13. Service area number 25. Nice receive. Number 12 over the ball. Number 11, Mimi. Nice again. Nice receive. Wade over the ball. Mimi. Number 25. Mimi. Without over ball. Score on board. Number 25 again. Nice receive. Over the ball. Nice play. By number 17. And service area number 11.
Drummers.
Tsaka yung
Receive by number 62. Fire again. Receive by number 11. Once again. Service area Mimi. Galing pang Rabi. Number 20. Send the ball up for 30 points. Score 6-5 in favor of Thunders. Service error.
Natutuwa lang sa player.
Service area number 13. Ivan Powers. Good. Number 62. Number 20 over the ball. Mimi set. Number 62. Eagles ball. Number 13, nice receive. Number 11.
Oh!
GP. Number 30, service area with a power spike. Service saves by number 13. Service area again, number 30 with a power spike at short. Score 7-10 in favor of Team Eagle. Service area number 12. Receiver Mimi to Jiki. Mimi fires. With hit. Nakakahabol ang ating Team Thunders. Service area again, number 12. As receiver Mimi to Jiki over the ball. Number 3. Number 25 to number 62. Pinabalik na. Number 62 again. To Mimi. Number 12. Nagawa pa ng play. To number 11, setting the ball. Number 62, fires. Winky.
Lang inaantay.
Number 20. Number 20 with a toss. To number 20 again. To number 25. Inside. Service area again. Number 20. Nice receive. To number 9. Number 25 setting the ball. Service area number 3. Number 62 with a single receive. Tinalo ni Mimi, but short. Service number 3. Receiver number 62 to number 12. Receiver number 30 to number 12, setting the ball, number 35. Another score. Galing kay number 13. Score 10-13. Service by Jiki. Pero namangpo ng dalawa ang ating Team Eagle. Service area number 9. Hindi umabot. Service area number 12. Number 62. 11 Mini, number 62 with a pass. Receive again to number 62 to number 11, number 30. Nice receive. Number 11, babalik ang pass, number 62. Begin. Score 12-14. Di lumalayo ang kalaman. Nice service. Receiver number 20. Service saved by number 22. Number 22 on service area. Service area number 25. Nice receive to number 17. Score 13-16. Service again, number 25. Binaling lang to number 30. Mini setting the ball, number 30 first. Outside. Score 14-16 in favor of Eagles. Nice receive to number 30. Number 11 over the ball. Number 17. Big hit. On service area, number 11, Mimi, galing pa ng Rabi. Service ace by number 11. For the second time, number 11, Mimi with a spike. Service ace. Service again for the third time, number 11, Mimi. With a power spike, binabalik lang. Inside, Thunder's ball. Score, 15-19. Service area, number 17. Meron po tayong red call. Received by number 62 to number 20 over the ball. To number 12. Received by Mimi. To number 20. 62. Nice play by number 62. Gigi. Set point. Score 15-20. In favor of Team Eagles. Set point. Last one. Number 30, tatapusin na ba? Receiving number 62, number 11. Inano ni number 12, received by Mimi. To Gigi, Mimi fires, siniklian na, inside. Change score. Unang score, nakapunta sa Team Thunders. Ang ganda ng service, number 30 with a toss. Number 25 over the ball. Nice receive. Number 13. Mukhang maganda na ako ng ating Team Thunders ngayon. Service again with a power spike. Received by number 62 to number 25. 62 again. 25 setting the ball to Mimi Pars. Binabalik down. Received by number 9 to number 62, 25 again. Mimi over the ball. Received by number 62, number 20. With a back shot, number 25. Number 12. Ang ganda naman receive to number 62. Number 11 to number 22. Eagles score 1-2. Service number 7. Service ace by number 7. Number 11, number 30 with a spot. Number 3. Service again, number 7. Received by number 62 to number 11, number 25. Number 62 again. Number 30. Short. Score, all 3. Service area, number 11. Simply received by number 62. 62 with a high. Nice receive. Number 11. Once again. Inside. Service area, number 25. Received by number 9 to number 11. To number 17, number 62. 11 Mimi, number 30. service. Nice receive. Number 12 over the ball. Number 30. Maybe with a drive. Nice play by number 11. Number 25 for the third time on service area. Service by number 25. Zach. Partida Kasikpan. Maganda ang receive. Si number 62. Mimi setting the ball. Number 30. Receive by number 11. Sinigyan lang. Receive by number 20. Number 30. Thomas. Number 30. Number 25 again. Nice receive. Number 7. Binabalik lang ng Thunder. Number 30. Inside. Service again, number 25. Number 12 over the ball. So number 11, Mimi. Number 20. Binabalik lang. Inside. Service area, number 17, Eve. Service area. Score 11-4 in favor of Team Eagle. Service area, number 11. We have 5. Number 17. Service area number 11, the Big Mama. Service area by number 11. Service again with a power spot. Outside. On service area number 12. Nice receive by number 25. Outside. Lumalo na po ang malamang. Lamangan Team Eagles. Outside again. Score 17-6. Service area number 20, Vic. Service by number 20. Number 20, pangapat na yan. Receive number 17. Number 20 to number 25. Ibinabalat lang. Receive by number 11. Number 25, tossing the ball. Number 62. Nice play by Thunders. Number 25. Number 22. Dalawa na lang po. Service area number 20. Nice service. Nice receive. Number 25. Number 62 with a fight. Number 22. Hindi naman kami nagutan. Match point, score 26. Last one. Service error. Substitution. Number 9 out. Number 18 in. Number 18 with a service area. received by number 25 to number 62. Nice receive, nice over, number 11 to number 25.